Questions. Where can you find matter? Number 2. What are the 3 states of matter? Number 3. How is the shape of solid matter different from the shape of liquids and gases? Number 4. Explain why the shape of solid matter cannot change on its own. Number 5. Give 2 examples of solids. Number 6. How do the shapes of liquids change? Number 7. Explain why liquids can change shape. Number 8. Give 2 examples of liquids. Number 9. What other state of matter is similar to liquids? What makes them similar? Number 10. Explain why a balloon gets bigger when you blow into it. Number 11. How can matter change from a liquid into a gas? Number 12. How can matter change from a liquid to a solid?